In a quaint coffee shop downtown, Sarah, a passionate software developer, noticed an elderly man struggling with his laptop. Intrigued by the situation, she offered her assistance, unaware that this man was not just any stranger, but the CEO of a company she admired. As the conversation unfolded, Sarah learned about his inspiring journey through the tech world, captivated by every word. Just then, a light bulb went off in her mind as she recognized his name, realizing he was not just a stranger, but the owner of the successful company she had long admired. Energized by the conversation, Sarah eagerly shared her latest app idea, illustrating its unique features and usability. The CEO leaned back, clearly impressed, a thoughtful look crossing his face as he considered the possibility of collaborating with this talented young developer. Excitement filled the air as the CEO proposed setting up a formal meeting to explore her ideas in depth. With her heart racing, Sarah jotted down her contact information on a napkin, realizing how this chance encounter could change her career forever. As they shook hands, the energy in the coffee shop shifted, unaware of the groundbreaking connection being formed. Watching him leave, Sarah felt a surge of hope and inspiration, knowing this was just the beginning of her journey into the tech world. Back in her home office, Sarah immersed herself in her work, driven by the possibilities that lay ahead. With sketches and notes scattered around her, she took a sip of coffee, ready to transform her vision into reality, fueled by the encounter with the CEO. Weeks later, Sarah stood confidently in front of a panel of investors, passionately presenting her app idea that had evolved from that fateful coffee shop meeting. Their attentive faces, including a few nods of approval, encouraged her as she outlined the immense potential her vision held. As the investors erupted into applause, Sarah beamed with joy, the validation of her hard work overwhelming her. Stepping out of the conference room, her phone buzzed incessantly with messages from interested partners, marking the beginning of her new chapter in the tech industry. In the quiet solitude of her home office, Sarah devoted countless late nights to perfecting her app, each line of code a step closer to her dream. The glow of the screens reflected her determination as she poured her heart and soul into creating something innovative. Finally, the day had arrived for Sarah to unveil her app at a major tech expo, excitement buzzing in the air. With a crowd gathering around her booth, she passionately demonstrated its features, her enthusiasm igniting interest and curiosity among potential users and investors alike. As the lights dimmed and the crowd cheered, Sarah stepped onto the stage to accept the award for Most Innovative App of the Year. That moment, surrounded by proud friends and family, marked not just her success, but also the realization of her dreams coming to life. The celebration at her home was filled with warmth and laughter as loved ones toasted to her incredible journey. Holding her award close, Sarah expressed gratitude for their support and shared her aspirations for what lay ahead, inspiring everyone around her. In a vibrant cafe, Sarah's mind buzzed with ideas for the next version of her app, each scribble on her notepad a glimpse of her creativity. Surrounded by the aroma of coffee and the chatter of patrons, she envisioned how to take her innovation even further. Gathering with her dedicated team in a sleek office, Sarah laid out the ambitious roadmap for the app's next update. Her enthusiasm was infectious as she shared her vision, inspiring each developer to contribute their talents to bring her ideas to life. Engaging with beta testers through a video call, Sarah listened intently as they shared their thoughts on the new features. Each smile and piece of feedback fueled her passion, reinforcing her commitment to creating an app that truly resonated with its users. At a prominent technology conference, Sarah stood at the podium, sharing her journey and the success of her app with an eager audience. The room buzzed with inspiration as future entrepreneurs listened intently, motivated by her story and vision. In the tranquility of a sunlit park, Sarah took a moment to reflect on her journey, eager to share the lessons she had learned. As she typed away on her laptop, her words flowed, offering insights and encouragement to aspiring developers embarking on their own paths. At a lively launch party, Sarah and her team celebrated the remarkable success of their app, surrounded by friends and supporters. Laughter filled the air as they raised their glasses for a toast, each cheer a testament to the hard work and dedication that had brought them to this moment. In a spotlight moment, Sarah sat for an interview with a local news station, eager to share her story and the positive impact her app had made within her community. The anticipation in the studio grew as the camera crew worked diligently, ready to showcase her inspiring journey to a wider audience. As a guest speaker at a local high school, Sarah inspired young minds by sharing her entrepreneurial journey and the challenges she overcame in the tech industry. The students, captivated by her words, absorbed every lesson with eager curiosity, motivated to follow their own dreams. In a bustling startup incubator, Sarah joined forces with a diverse group of entrepreneurs, exchanging ideas and fostering creativity. The energy was palpable as they gathered around a whiteboard, their minds working in harmony to explore new avenues for innovation and collaboration.